Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add emotions to your voice in Elevenlabs. Elevenlabs is actually an AI voice generator, so without much ado, let's get straight to the point. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open your web browser and Elevenlabs website. Let me just close this. And once you're here, what you have to do is you can either use text to speech or you can use speech to speech. I'll use text to speech here, and I'll just set everything to default so that you can understand. So this is the default version, and I've written a text here. You're still hungry? So let's see how it goes.
You are still hungry?
So you see that this is a normal version, and now I'm going to add more emotions.
You are still hungry?
So you see there's a change in the emotions of the speaker from a very fast, monotonous tone to a slow and more toned voice, asking in a bit of shock.
You are still hungry?
So you see, as we change the stability and the style exaggeration, the emotions of the voice are changed.
You are still hungry?
So you see, that's how we add emotions and we tweak the stability and the style exaggeration in order to add emotions and change the tone of the voice. So it's as simple as it is. So that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.